Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use this 3D assets for your film, your skits, or your project. And like always, you can download all the folders, all the assets by clicking on the link in the description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So when you download this asset, you're going to have a video file here. And it's always exported with an alpha background, so you can just drag and drop it wherever you want. So we're going to drag and drop. And for this one, it's just one because of the planet is Venus, so there's no shadow because it's so close to the sun. So we're just gonna have the front of this planet, and you just drag and drop wherever you want in any of your projects or your skits, anywhere you wanted to add it. Just drag and drop. There's an alpha background, and that's pretty much it. If you liked it, hit that like button. If you disliked it, hit that dislike button. Subscribe for more, and thank y'all for tuning in.